Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you that how you can create your account on Squarespace. So let's start. So first of all, what we have to do, simply we have to search for the Squarespace on Google. So as you can see, I've already searched for it. And now simply we have to click on this. Let's click on it. And now simply we need to click on the get started. Now we have to choose that what is our site about. For example, my site is about the portfolio. So I'm going to choose the portfolio and let's click on the next. And now we have to choose some sale online courses, sale on demand videos, and I'm going to choose some sales services. And after that, let's click on the next. And now we have to build with AI, the browse templates, build with AI. And now we have to create our account. So let's click on the continue with Google. And now we have to choose our account. So I'm going to choose this account. And now let's click on the continue again. So as you can see, our account is created and AI will create the website according to our details which we have provided. So we have to wait for a few seconds until it generates the website. It's up to your device configuration and it's up to your internet speed as well. If your internet will be fast, then you will get the faster result. So as you can see, now it will ask few questions from you and you have to provide these details, and after providing those, your website will be ready to use. So in this way you can create your account on Squarespace. I hope you guys understand this video that how you can do this. So see you guys in the next video.